Mars by Jonathan Titus. Mars formed about 4.6 billion years ago. It formed by having dust and particles collide, merge, and break apart through the process of accretion. These tiny particles formed larger and larger bodies, eventually becoming so massive that their gravity began to assist by attracting more and larger aggregates of material, speeding up the process of accretion. Because of this, the largest bodies grew the fastest, sweeping up material in their paths and eventually becoming Mars and the other planets. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars orbits the Sun at an average distance of 141 million miles, taking 686.93 Earth days, or 1.8807 Earth years, to complete a rotation. Mars is 4,222 miles, or 6,794 kilometers in its diameter. It is 21,343 kilometers, or around 13,300 miles, as a circumference. Mars has a core that is mainly iron and sulfur, wrapped in a mantle that is silicates, all of which is cocooned by a crust that is made of basalt and just enough iron oxide to give the planet its characteristic reddish hue. Mars is the second smallest planet in our solar system. Mars is red because it is rusty. There is a lot of iron in the soil, and the air on Mars has made it red just like rusted iron on Earth. Astronomers are 95% sure that there are aliens on Mars, but 5% of them are still unsure about this. We related the facts of how iron turned red on Earth when it rusted, and since there is a lot of iron in the soil on Mars, it turned Mars a reddish color like rusted iron. NASA plans to waste no time in getting back to Mars after Phoenix finishes its 3-month mission. Galileo Galilei did the first observation of Mars through a telescope in 1610.